A person was injured in an accident on his way home from Jirania late on Thursday night. The name of the injured was Biplop Sarkar, aged 24, from Aralia area. Currently, he is fighting with death in GB hospital. A man named Biplop Sarkar, aged 24, was injured in an accident while returning home from Jirania on his scooter late on Thursday night. According to the details, it is known that the man was returning back from Kirtan and met a road accident on the way home. With that, a man was seriously injured. Meanwhile, the passerby witnessed the incident and immediately informed the fire brigade. Later, a man was brought to Jirania hospital by fire service personnel, but the doctors referred him to GB hospital as he was in the critical condition. The family rushed to the hospital after they were informed about the incident.
কি নাম? বিপ্লব দে সরকার। বয়স কত? কি করে? বাড়ি কোনখানে? ওখানে কেন গেছিল? বাইকে তো ছিল। কয়জন ছিল স্কুটিতে? অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়েছে কেমনে? অবস্থা কিরকম? আপনার কি হয়?
Currently, Biplop Sarkar is fighting with death in GB hospital. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.